Okay, tell me, had this ever happened to you? You wake up one morning, going through your day, and you figure out, oh my God, my significant other or my friend's birthday's coming up. And you decide I have to get them a greeting card. So what do? You run out to that store where they have on every corner now a Dollar General, and you go to the greeting card section and you try to find the card of the topic you're looking for. And then you spend another 20 or 30 minutes doing what? Trying to figure out exactly what to say that you want to put on the card. Then from there, you do what? You say, well, I either have to mail it or you have to take it to them. All right. So listen, people, I want you to understand. We all been through that. All right. On the JMaxx show, I am going to teach you how to create a greeting card because that's what we're talking about. Greeting cards. People, my name is Jesse Cross and I'm a 30-year veteran. And since I'm retired, that's all I've been doing is teaching people how to create greeting cards, how to actually give back in a personal or a business relationship, telling people how you appreciate them. We have a platform, a community of people getting together so they can share ideas on sending greeting cards, where not only you can just get that intuitive thought of what you're thinking about, or when you're thinking of someone at the time, you can send them a card by putting your intuitive thought, information on the card, and guess what? You can even add photos, and you don't have to worry about anything else so far as mailing it, buying stamps, envelopes, or none of that at all. And the fun part about it is we're not going to leave you out. It's also something you can do with the business. If you have your own business, it's awesome to be in contact with your customers. Think about it. You always selling. But what are you actually giving back to your customers? You want to let them know that you appreciate them too. So all of that is something that we do here on the JMaxx show. We want to teach each and every one of you, all right, how you can actually bring your ideas, not only your ideas, but bringing the content among each other on this platform to help one another, to show people how we appreciate them, to show them exactly, if you don't like talking on the phone, all right, and I know a lot of you don't, we got a way of being able to send the message by greeting cards. And this is something that we're going to do together as a team. We really appreciate the fact that now we have another way, another form of communication that we've been doing it for years and years, but a lot of people just don't take advantage of it. So now we have a chance to do that. Even if you want to deal with somebody on your personal level, if you want to deal with a family or a friend, and like I say again, even for a business, we're going to have the #1 platform, and I'm so excited that you are on this channel to see exactly what we're doing. Now, you got a chance to send out a free card. That's what I want you to do. Right up under my name, you'll see my website to go to, okay, where you can sign up, send out a free card, and send it to somebody you appreciate. Oh, you got somebody's birthday coming up, or whatever the situation may be. And I am going to show and teach you on the JMaxx show exactly how to create these cards. But I know that with among us, each other, that you have some really great and wonderful ideas, all right, where we can help each other build this platform with the creative ideas that you come up with and be able to satisfy and make somebody's day. We are going to be the #1 platform, and I'm so excited. And the fact is, we're going to have weekly card challenges. Yes, we're going to have a weekly card challenge. And what's going to happen is we're going to figure out who come up with the best card. And by doing that, we're going to see exactly how creative you got with the card. We're going to see the nice photos that's pertaining to the topic of the card. All right. And we're going to take your idea so we can help other people for the next following week. All right. To be just as creative as you were. I am really so pumped, and I'm so stoked. Remember, you get a chance to send out a free card right up under my name there. You'll see. All right. Go to my website. sign up for a free card. That's exactly how you're going to be able to participate in the JMaxx show. In fact, this episode is dedicated to my father, whose birthday will be January 12th. January 12th, and he will be 104 years old today. So I am dedicating this episode to him, and I want each and every one of y'all to participate. So let me be the first one to welcome you to the JMaxx show.